Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Peace. In today's video, I'll be making delicious coconut rice. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Now for the recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of rice, fresh tomatoes and fresh pepper, onion, salt, fresh coriander leaf, a matured coconut, seasoning cube, curry is curry masala, combination of curry and thyme, ginger, garlic clove. You use your favorite. I'm using ice fish. I've already parboiled it with my leftovers too, and as well crayfish. So guys, let's get started immediately. For the first step, I'm going to break this coconut, remove the shell and wash it and blend it. I'll be using only the milk for this recipe. Now I'll add my fresh tomatoes and pepper on my blender. Then I'll add onion. And I'll add my crayfish. Now I'll be adding the peeled ginger and garlic. Now add little quantity of water to ease the blending. So I'll keep it aside. Now I'll heat the coconut. I need to remove the shell to bring out the main coconut. I'll remove the water. I'll bring out the main coconuts. I'll go ahead and slice it. After slicing, I will blend it. Now pour it on my blender. Now add enough water to make it to blend very well. Then I'll use my organza fabric to strain it very well. In order to squeeze out the juice, I'll use my organza fabric to strain the juice out. You can see. So guys, it's the juice we are using for the coconut rice. We're using it to cook. I'll make sure I squeeze out the juice very well. You can as well put it back and add water again in order to make sure that the juice are thoroughly squeezed out. Now add little quantity of oil, vegetable oil. Remember the coconut has an oil, so I'm not using much oil for it. I'll go ahead and add my onion. Then I'll add my blended tomatoes and pepper. I'll allow it to cook. I'll go ahead and pour in my coconut water in the pot. At this point, the water have dried, so it's now okay. So the next thing to do is to wash my rice. I'll go ahead and wash it with clean water. Now this is the coconut water. I'll go ahead and add extra water. Then I'll add my tomatoes. I'll add my curry masala. Measure in 2 spoons of salt, seasoning cube, onion. Then I'll cover it to allow it to cook, to boil, before I add my rice. So while it's boiling, I'll go ahead and add my already washed rice. Add the fresh coriander leaf. I'll be adding the fish last. I want it to boil very well. When it's getting soft, then that's when I'll be adding the fish to it. I don't want to add the fish now. I've already boiled the fish, so I'll wait, let it boil, and I'll then add the fish. Then I'll cover it to allow it to cook. I'll go ahead to add the fish. I'll cover it up to allow the water to dry. So guys, you can see our coconut rice is ready. Very sweet and yummy. And see? So guys, make sure you try the recipe. It's very sweet, very simple to make. Just try and make yours. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video. Bye.